As you guys might have guessed, we are actually gonna custom the Samsung Galaxy Ace. As you guys know from the previous video, we just explored it and we tried to get some apps on this thing to work and some games too, but apparently that failed pretty bad because first things first, this piece of doesn't have much storage. It's like what, 150 something megabytes? That's barely something in 2026, and of course none of the apps work. The games, I have no idea how the they worked, but apparently they did. And yeah guys, today we are actually gonna revive this piece of by installing a custom ROM on it, which is CyanogenMod 11 Lollycat custom ROM thing. I have no idea what that is, but we are actually gonna custom ROM this phone with that. And you know, the first step would actually be to get a micro SD card inside this. So yeah, let's just do that. I hate micro SD cards. I think I actually hate the slots. Okay, we got micro SD card then. Now what I'm gonna do will obviously be to just turn off this garbage phone. I mean, it's not really garbage, but it's so goofy, man, and it's not really the best thing to have, to be honest. I mean, it's just like a budget phone, you know. Anyways guys, now the next step that I have to do is actually, in the normal recovery mode, I just have to hold the home button, volume up button and power button. Hopefully those are the right combinations, because honestly I don't want to mess this thing up. And are we gonna get in the recovery? That's the good question. And there we go. Now what I'm gonna do will search for that thing, and this is the thing that we have to flash. Basically CWM recovery, I mean clockwork mod recovery. That's where we are now. And now as you guys know, the first thing that I really want to do on this phone is actually back it up, because you never know what can happen. So I guess I'm just gonna do a backup of this thing, and after the backup is done, we are actually gonna basically delete everything from this thing, you know, like erase the whole thing and then install the custom ROM. So I'm gonna see you guys after the backup is done. Oh fuck. I really didn't want to see this screen, but I think the phone is cooked. Honestly, I have no idea if it's cooked or not. What if I try to restart it? Let's see what happens if we reboot recovery. Maybe I was supposed to reboot, I don't know. Oh what happens if I reboot the system actually? Oh, did I just break this phone? Oh fuck. Imagine if I break this phone. I barely bought it, and now if this is breaked, oh my god, I swear to god, if this phone's break, I'm gonna be so mad, bro. Okay, just please boot or do something, I don't know. Apparently, something that I forgot to do is actually, I didn't know that I was actually supposed to do that, so I have to mount system, which is already mounted. Now I have to mount data, which doesn't really seem to mount for some reason. Oh well, that's great. And now I'm also supposed to mount the cache one too, and it doesn't really work. Okay, so after that, I just have to format those things apparently, so I guess I'm just gonna go once again to mountain storage, and I'm obviously gonna format system. Yeah, we're gonna format that. Hopefully that's gonna work. Now the next thing that we have to do apparently, and I was supposed to do it before, was to actually flash the kernel. I had no idea that I was supposed to do that. So yeah, I guess it's time to flash the kernel thing, which it apparently worked. Okay, that's awesome. And now I basically have to go to advanced, reboot recovery, and now I'm gonna wait to boot in CWM recovery. Hopefully, if that will not work, then I guess this phone is cooked, but hopefully that's not the case. Boot in CWM recovery, please. There we go. Yeah, I have to format those things again apparently. Format system once again, because apparently that's something I have to do. Yeah, I guess I have to format it. I have no choice. Now I have to format cache and then data. Yeah, that should be it, I think. And format data, and there we go. Oh, now I also have to mount the partitions. Okay, that's fun. Mount system, okay, and mount data. Okay, I mean all the partitions are pretty much mounted, so I guess that's great. And now I have to install zip. Choose zip from, I guess, here. We are gonna go to Galaxy Ace. I guess it's time to install it. Let's hope that this time it's actually gonna install. I guess I'm gonna see you guys after the custom ROM is actually installed. And there we go guys, this thing has hopefully installed with success, I mean the custom ROM. So I guess now what I have to do is reboot system, which hopefully it's gonna work. Hopefully this phone will actually reboot to the custom ROM, because if this thing will not reboot to the custom ROM, I'm probably gonna have my day ruined, because I really want this thing to boot in a custom ROM. That's why custom ROM did, am I right? I guess I don't have dimension or something. So yeah guys, I guess I'm gonna wait for this phone to boot into CyanogenMod 11, and I'm gonna see you guys after that's gonna happen, I guess. Oh wait, I think something's happening actually. Oh, there we go guys, there we go. The phone is finally booting in CyanogenMod 11. I can't believe this is actually working, but there we go. The image is kinda stretched though, but I guess that should be okay. I mean, as soon as it works, that's all it matters. So once again, I'm gonna wait for this thing to boot up all the way. And there we go guys, I think the phone is actually in the system. However, as soon as we actually booted up, something has crashed, as you guys can see. Unfortunately, Android keyboard ASP has stopped. Well, yeah, that's a great introduction to the ROM, that's for sure. Okay, that thing just keeps crashing. This is really fun. This phone can definitely be used. Well, there we go guys, we actually customized this Samsung Galaxy Ace. Now if I'm not wrong, I think we should be on like Android 4 or something like that. Okay, so as you guys can see, we are on Android 4.4.4, and as you guys remember from the last video, we were on Android 2.3.6 or something like that. So yeah guys, that's pretty much the video. We actually customized this piece of shit, which is the Samsung Galaxy Ace GT S5830i, and that's pretty much the video guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, as you guys know, I'm gonna see you guys next time with fun explorations, customing and jailbreaking and all that stuff. And also shout out to all my YouTube members. Thank you guys so much for joining my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. And if you guys want to see behind the scenes footage and you know, just contribute to my YouTube channel and help me to make these videos and stuff, you guys can do so by joining from my YouTube description and also from my YouTube channel directly as well. And yeah, that's pretty much the video guys. See you next time and thanks for watching. Bye bye.